Hey everyone, welcome back to Spartan V, and today I'm going to be showing you how to cut a poly thin skin base on a hair system. So this is actually easier than probably what you expect. As long as you're careful, that is the main thing. Cautious, careful and patient. So as usual, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe, and yeah, let's get the video started. Okay, so as you can see here, all you're going to need really is a razor blade. Can be purchased from any hardware store, anywhere really, very easy to get hold of, and ideally get a mannequin head. This is Keith, I like to call him, and just so you can secure the hair system on top while you're doing the cutting. On top of this, what you want to do is pin your template to the hair system, but I've turned the hair system upside down and put it on top and then put my template there, and I find you get a good secure hold. So that way, when you're doing the cutting with the razor, then it's, you're going to get quite a clean cut most of the way round. So, you've got to be really patient, just keep it nice and slow, and just keep going with the razor round the template. And every so often you'll notice that I'll put my finger onto the base of the template to pull down just to see the cuts in there, because I don't want to overcut it, but I don't want to do it to the point where it's left loads of attachment on the areas that I'm cutting. So I just want to get a nice clean cut going round, just to speed this up. So yep, I'm just going to keep going all the way round on one side. So I think I've done this in about 15-20 minutes in total. So again, just don't rush it, and just keep checking every time you're doing cuts, because you're going to keep going over, and you're going to want to keep checking every time you're doing a couple of cuts. Check, make sure the line's starting to appear, and then that way you can see how well your line is going. Obviously, you don't have to worry about being extremely accurate, as long as you've got the template secured on the mannequin head or wherever you've got it, then you're going to easily be able to go around. So I've got a pin at the front and the back of the on the template that's on the mannequin head. So I'm just going to go around and then finish that part, and it's going to switch over to the other side now. So this is practically where I'm at the end. You can see a bit of a line there from where it's come apart. So I'm just very gently doing this final part to get that last little bit off. So again, just don't rush. Keep saying it, take your time. And you'll notice once I get this final bit off, you're going to have to be gentle. Just try and be gentle with the bit you're pulling off, because you don't want to pull off the other hair. So it's nice and gentle, pulling it away, and you'll notice it will just start coming off. I've got as I've seen there's a tiny bit attached, but hardly anything, so you can easily just pull it and it will come off. So and that is now my base cut to my size, as you can see there. Just get rid of the hair and gently take the pins out, and then we'll have a look at the system itself. So I'll turn it round just so you can see it properly. And oh yeah, the tag, we've got a tag there, just cut it off. Again, as always, be very careful with it. You don't want to have to cut like any of the back hair that's on there. So that's nice and easily off now. So just to show you the final product of it, and there we go, that's it done. And that is all it is for a poly thin skin base. It is really simple. As long as you've got your template and you're confident with it, and you've got it secured on something, like I say, I do recommend a mannequin head. I'll put the link on my description. And then yeah, the razor blade, slowly go around nice and careful, and you'll be absolutely fine on that one. And that's all there is to it. So in the future I will be showing you how to do a lace base. But otherwise, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment below if you do have any questions. And as I said at the beginning, please like and subscribe if you are enjoying my content. But as usual, another video will be on its way soon. And the next one is a review of a hair system from a particular company. So yeah, that'll be here shortly. Thank you.